The gaming industry is a billion-dollar industry and has grown by quite a magnitude due to the pandemic. Amidst this, the competition has toughened and gaming platforms in the Metaverse are also battling it out to stay at the top. Two such competitors, Bloktopia and UFO Gaming, have been making headlines quite often of late. So let's take a look at their features and see which one is better out of the two. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Join us as we discuss everything you need to know about Bloktopia and UFO Gaming's various features, including their prices, features, what they offer their users, and much more. First up, let's take a quick look at Bloktopia. Bloktopia is a huge project in the Metaverse that is basically a skyscraper with 21 levels. The platform provides four main features, including giving the users an opportunity to earn, learn, play, and create. Getting all these options on the same platform is next to rare nowadays, and that's why Bloktopia has attracted a large number of users with this strategy of theirs. Apart from this, the platform is user-friendly and engaging and is known to provide an elite level of user experience. Twitter is a place where Bloktopia reveals all its new features and news on a regular basis. Its Twitter platform has amassed a whopping 300,000 Twitter followers that continue to grow with each passing day. This shows that Bloktopia is growing slowly and more people are getting to know about it and are intrigued to hop onto the Bloktopia bandwagon. Now on the other hand, we have UFO Gaming, another decentralized gaming network whose main aim is to bridge the gap between the experience one gets by playing games on the traditional mobile with the experience that playing games on PCs provide. They also have integrated NFT-based games to their platform to further attract a larger part of their target audience. UFO Gaming has been doing great and now has a market capitalization of more than $1 billion. The users of this platform can compete in various games and earn money through their wins. They'll be given tokens that they can exchange for real money later on. UFO Gaming has a variety of planets in which a new game starts on each planet. Just like in Bloktopia, the users of this platform can purchase land of their own and can start up development projects on it. If the projects are successful, they are rewarded in NFTs. Apart from indulging and making money this way, they can also trade Metaverse tokens. Speaking of tokens, the UFO Gaming tokens are used to process various transactions on this platform. These tokens can later on be exchanged for cryptocurrency as well. As of now, the UFO Gaming coin is worth over $200,000. To top this off, these tokens are bought in bulk and sold in bulk as well. Thus, this means that their transactions are pretty large. It is also important to note that UFO is commonly traded against Ethereum, which is one of the best cryptocurrencies out there. The Ethereum are then exchanged for NFTs. Let us delve into the price prediction of these coins for a quick bit before we get into exploring some other features of these coins. We'll be looking at the years between 2022 and 2025 to predict the price. Block, the native coin of Bloktopia, is said to be worth around $0.126,996,5513. The value of Block is expected to grow in the next few years, and Bloktopia has quite a few collaborations and big developments on the way. But for the time being, the price of Block is said to linger around the same value. The individuals who bought Block when it was at a low price are suggested to hold on to it for a few more years so that when they sell it, they can make massive profits from it. Block currently looks like it's going to hit an all-time low, so it's a great opportunity for investors who don't have Block to buy them at that point. According to expert sources, Block could cost between $1 and $3 in the next few years. Furthermore, they've also predicted that the price of Bloktopia will approximately be $0.18090949925 in 2025. Also, Bloktopia's price has been falling, and it's said to have fallen by a whopping 21%. It's also currently being traded at 5% of its all-time high of over $10,000 in 2022. The reason why it is performing so poorly is due to the recession and the volatility of the marketplace, and not solely because of UFO Gaming's competition. In fact, Bitcoin itself has seen massive losses recently and has fallen by 35% in the last year. UFO Gaming, on the other hand, is at a decent place as of now. It has grown by quite a huge degree ever since it entered the market. As for its situation after 5 years, experts predict that it'll rise even more. However, this will only happen if the volatility in the marketplace is minimal. All in all, UFO Gaming's future is quite bright. It may not be as great as Dogecoin and Bitcoin yet, but it surely has the potential to achieve great milestones as long as it keeps working on improving itself. In fact, it being a huge part of the Metaverse platform gives it further exposure as well as chances to make it big. Since the concept of the Metaverse is still in its initial stages, UFO Gaming joined the industry just at the right time, giving it a good head start. In fact, all the game-based currencies will have their prices increase in time. The gaming industry is a huge industry, and the children of the newer generation are heavily inclined towards using this industry. Thus, as the customer base increases, the industry's worth also increases. Now, we all know that Bloktopia has some big collaborations that it has indulged in. One big collaboration is with Elrond. Elrond is an anchor tenant in Bloktopia and will be present on the ground floor of the skyscraper. Due to this collaboration, they have arisen ESD tokens that come with their own set of benefits. Scalability, security, and decentralization are three features that are hard to acquire even though today's technology is quite advanced. So Elrond started looking for solutions to combat this problem. Elrond has further added that they could find a solution to this problem by increasing the speed, scale, and cost and provide a superior user experience too. In today's time, there are quite a few new coins that are being minted, following which their price skyrockets only to crash pretty badly a short while after. The best example to back up this point is what happened to Squid Token. With the famous Squid Game series being highly hyped up, people started investing in this token. Though it rose to a high value, it crashed equally fast as soon as the hype died down. This resulted in the investors' trust being broken and also resulted in them downing the whole virtual currency industry as well. UFO has grown organically and not based on any trends, so due to its hard work, it is where it is. Bloktopia, on the other hand, offers quite a few offers, including an opportunity to learn about crypto and helps people make money through virtual real estate. They can also earn through various competitions and also create whatever projects they wish to create and earn money from it. UFO Gaming, on the other hand, has one of its biggest games recently out. Yes, we're talking about the new super galactic game that comes with quests, competitions, PvP battles, and much more. The users of this game can earn UFO Gaming coins. Speaking of coins, the UAP, or Unidentified Aerial Phenomenon, is another token that the users will be able to use. The users will use this for game tasks as well as for trading it in the marketplace. They can exchange it for NFTs if they wish to. Furthermore, they will provide the users with added advantages as well. One of the biggest advantages that they will have is access to rare NFTs. After looking at all the facts, we can conclude that Bloktopia isn't at the best of places in the market as of now, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But with its various developments and partnerships on the way, it surely is going to increase in value gradually, make it even harder for people to choose between Bloktopia and UFO Gaming. UFO Gaming, on the other hand, is doing great, but whether it keeps its good performance steady or not will again depend on the volatility of the market along with a few other factors. We can't pick between the two choices as of now, as both have their own pros and cons. But if you wish to become an investor of either of these tokens, do your research before making a move. What do you think is better, Bloktopia or UFO Gaming? And what are your reasons for supporting your choice? Do let us know your thoughts on this in the comments section below. On that note, we've reached the end of today's video. Hope you had a great time with us today, and we can't wait to have you back. Do drop this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and push the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our channel. See you real soon.